Welcome to this presentation on enhancing image security using visual cryptography and AES encryption. This research was conducted by Dr. Praveena Aki et al. And published in recently. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Welcome everyone. In our increasingly digital world, we share countless images every day, from family photos to important documents. But have you ever stopped to think about how secure those images truly are? Did you know that over 70% of cyber attacks target personal data, and images are often a prime target for hackers looking to steal sensitive information? This isn't just about privacy, it's about protecting your identity, your finances, and your peace of mind. Traditional methods of securing images often fall short, leaving our visual data vulnerable to interception and misuse. Our research tackles this critical problem head-on, aiming to create a robust, user-friendly solution for image security. To understand how we make your images super secure, let's use a simple analogy. Imagine you want to send a priceless painting your image across a dangerous landscape. First, you wouldn't just send it openly. Our system starts by creating a truly unique, unpredictable secret key. Think of it like a one-of-a-kind password generated by your own unique actions, like how you type or move your mouse. This is our entropy-based key generation. Next, you lock your painting inside an incredibly strong, unbreakable safe using this secret key. This is our AES encryption, a gold standard in digital security. But we don't stop there. For ultimate protection, we then take the locked safe itself and split it into two seemingly random meaningless halves. This is visual cryptography. You send these two halves on completely different paths. An attacker would need to intercept both meaningless halves and know your original secret key to even begin to unlock your painting. It's a dual-layered defense, making your image virtually impenetrable. So, what was the big win of our approach? We successfully created a system that offers significantly superior security compared to traditional methods. Our multi-layered defense means that even if an attacker manages to get their hands on one piece of your encrypted image, it's completely useless without the other piece and the correct decryption key. Think of it as needing two puzzle pieces and a secret code, rather than just one simple lock. We tested this system and found that it not only provides this robust security, but also performs efficiently. Encrypting and decrypting images, even larger ones, happens quickly enough for practical use, with minimal delays. This means you get top-tier protection without having to wait around. The most significant discovery is that by combining these two powerful techniques, AES encryption and visual cryptography, enhanced by truly random key generation, we've made image data far more resilient against modern cyber threats than ever before. In today's interconnected world, where we share everything from personal moments to critical business data online, the importance of image security cannot be overstated. Our research directly addresses this pressing need. This system isn't just a theoretical concept. It's a practical tool designed to give individuals and organizations greater control over their visual information. Imagine confidently sharing sensitive medical scans with a doctor, sending confidential business reports, or simply knowing your family photos are truly safe from prying eyes. This technology fits perfectly into our daily lives by offering a robust shield against data breaches and privacy invasions, all while being user-friendly enough for the average person. It balances powerful enterprise-grade encryption with an intuitive experience, making advanced security accessible to everyone. So, how will this research change your daily life in the next 5 years? We envision a future where this level of image security becomes the standard, not the exception. Within the next 5 years, you can expect to see this kind of dual-layered encryption seamlessly integrated into the apps and services you already use. Imagine your favorite messaging app or cloud storage automatically applying this advanced protection to every image you share or upload, without you even having to think about it. You'll be able to share family vacation photos with complete peace of mind, knowing they're protected from unauthorized access. Businesses will use this technology to secure sensitive documents, making data breaches involving visual information a thing of the past. Ultimately, this research paves the way for a more private, secure, and trustworthy digital experience for everyone, making advanced image protection an effortless part of your everyday life.